What if death wasn't the end? What if an animal could grow old and then turn young again? No science fiction, no time machine. This actually happens in the ocean. Meet the jellyfish that can age backward. Most living things follow one simple rule. They are born, they grow, they age, and they die. But one tiny jellyfish breaks that rule completely. Its name is Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the immortal jellyfish, and it has a biological ability that no other known animal has. When faced with death, it doesn't fight. It rewinds its life cycle. To understand how strange this is, let's look at how jellyfish usually live. A jellyfish begins life as a larva. This larva then attaches to a surface, like a rock or the seafloor, and becomes a polyp. Think of a polyp as a small plant-like stalk. As the polyp matures, it buds off and releases tiny, free-swimming jellyfish. These grow into mature adults, which we recognize as jellyfish with bells and tentacles. Once they reproduce, their life cycle normally ends. For most jellyfish, that's it, but not for this one. So, when the immortal jellyfish is injured, starving, or stressed by changes in its environment, something unbelievable happens. Instead of dying, its bell and tentacles begin to wither and it collapses into a small, shapeless blob of cells. It essentially reverts to a more primitive state. Then, those cells do something incredible. They reorganize themselves. The adult jellyfish transforms back into a polyp, starting its life all over again from an earlier stage. This process is called transdifferentiation, which is a fancy way of saying that one type of specialized cell turns into a completely different type of specialized cell. It's like a skin cell turning into a muscle cell or a nerve cell. In simple terms, the jellyfish resets its biological clock. It becomes young again. So, does that mean it can live forever? Well, in theory, yes. As long as it avoids predators, like fish or sea turtles, and isn't wiped out by a disease or completely destroyed, this jellyfish can repeat the cycle of aging and rejuvenation over and over again. It doesn't age the way humans or other animals do. It doesn't weaken with time or grow frail. For the immortal jellyfish, death from old age is optional unless something else kills it first. It's a remarkable survival strategy, a true master of recycling itself. Scientists are fascinated by this jellyfish for a very good reason. The potential implications for human health are enormous. By studying how its cells reset themselves, researchers hope to understand the fundamental mechanics of aging and regeneration. This could lead to breakthroughs in wound healing, helping our bodies repair damage more effectively. Imagine being able to slow down or even reverse the effects of age-related diseases. By unlocking the secrets of cell reprogramming, we could learn how to guide our own cells to regenerate and repair tissues. The same biological processes that keep this tiny jellyfish young could one day help humans live healthier, longer lives. It's a long shot, but the possibilities are truly exciting. In a world where time seems to only move forward, where every second brings us closer to an inevitable end, this jellyfish reminds us that nature still holds mysteries we barely understand. It challenges our most basic assumptions about life and death. Life isn't always a straight line from birth to death. Sometimes it loops. It's a profound lesson from one of the simplest creatures on Earth. A creature with no brain, no heart, and no bones has figured out how to cheat aging itself. It's a testament to the incredible and often bizarre ingenuity of evolution. Thanks for watching. Follow for more unbelievable science facts hidden in nature.